Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You have admin rights and a current backup. First, close the game and any overlay apps, then disable antivirus briefly so it does not block files. Once done, open your game launcher and run file verification to replace missing or corrupt files. You do this because corrupted assets often cause Win64 shipping. EXE crashes, verifying restores original binaries. Finally, note any error codes shown. They guide the next steps, and make sure you have 10-15 minutes for these checks. Next, you diagnose more deeply. Open Event Viewer and the game's log files to find exception codes or module names, because that points to faulty DLLs or shader issues. Then update your GPU drivers and reinstall or repair Visual C++ redistributables, since mismatched runtimes often crash the executable. After updates, test the game on low graphics and windowed mode to isolate GPU or full-screen problems. If the crash persists, note timestamps and reproduce quickly to capture precise log entries for troubleshooting. For the final step, you either perform a clean reinstall or relocate your save and config files before wiping the game, because leftover corrupt settings can reintroduce the crash. Also run SFC and DISM to repair system files that the game might depend on. Once reinstalled, run the game and monitor logs, make sure overlays and mods are off. If problems remain, capture a crash dump and include event viewer entries when contacting support. That single troubleshooting package speeds resolution dramatically.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.